Namaste everyone, this is Arunita again, and a few days back you might have seen our Yoga for Back Pain video, which was published by Consulate of Toronto, Consulate India Toronto, and by High Commissioner India. Today we are going through a quick recap of the back pain special technique, because that was a do-along video. If you don't want a do-along video, just quickly note down the postures and you can practice it at home. Again, these postures are extremely good if you have a weak back, if you have back pain because of poor posture, if you have history of chronic back pain, if you have history of slip disc and disc bulge, if you have muscle spasm, you can go through all these practices. But if you have a surgical case and if you have an acute pain, then I probably tell you rather not to do it, because I want to see it one-on-one and then frame the module for you. So okay, get ready, and while I am telling you the postures, so we will see the demonstration by my students. So number 1, tiger breathing. So get into the tiger position, and as you inhale you have to concave off your spine, and as you exhale, convex your spine. Keep doing it for 10 to 15 times. Number 2, tiger stretch. So again, back to tiger position. Now you can stretch your right leg back, left leg back. Then you can balance your body, right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg, balancing each side. Number 2. Number 3, leg raising with tiger breathing. So when you inhale, lift your right leg up from tiger position and exhale down. Inhale, left leg up and exhale down, and keep doing it. If you cannot do it, because if you feel a lot of pain, then keep doing the tiger breathing, and after that definitely relax in Shashankasana. Okay, let's go for the next Shashank Asana breathing. For that, sit in Vajrasana, hand goes back, catch hold your right wrist with your left hand. Now as you inhale, expand your chest, bending slightly back, opening up your chest, and exhale, going all the way down on the floor. If you can touch your head to the floor, very good. If you cannot touch, that is also fine. Okay. Next, you have to lie down on your back, and next practice is straight leg raising, alternate leg raising, or Pada Uttanasana. So inhale, right leg straight up slowly as you inhale, and exhale slowly down. Then inhale, left leg up and exhale down, and keep doing it for 10 to 12 times and relax. Next practice, same, but instead of single raise, we will do both leg raising. So as you inhale, lift your both legs up, and as you exhale down. For few people, both leg raising could be very difficult. In that case, you can keep doing the alternate leg raising. Okay, let's proceed for the next practice. Next practice is dorsal stretch. Hands stretched up. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly come up. Lift your body just up to 30 to 45 degrees from the floor. So breathe in and breathe out. Lift your body. Simple, and keep doing that as many times as possible, around 10 to 15 times. Next practice, Pavan Muktasana stretch. So you have to grab under the thigh and fold your leg, bring your leg close to the chest, hold this position for 30 seconds with the right leg, 30 seconds with the left leg, and 30 seconds with the both leg. And then proper Pavan Muktasana. Grab your knee, hug your leg, one deep breath in, and breathe out. Second time, breathe in. As you breathe out, lift your head up and bring your nose to the knee. If you cannot do it, please keep doing the previous practice. So Pavan Muktasana, right leg, left leg and both legs. Good. After that, folded leg lumbar stretch. So you have to fold your both legs from knee, hands by the side of the body, or you can keep it under your neck. As you inhale, you are at center. As you exhale, twist to one side. Again, inhale, come to center and twist on other side. This is very relaxing for back, and keep doing it again for 10 to 15 times. After that, there is crossed leg lumbar stretch. Similar, but here you have to keep your right leg over your left leg and keep doing the same thing. Inhale, center and exhale, twist. Inhale, center and exhale, twist. From both the side, left leg over your right leg, and keep doing the same thing for 10 to 15 times. And the last one you can do holding for a little longer time. Done. After that, Setu Bandhasana, breathing. So you have to fold your both legs from knee, hands by the side of the body. As you inhale, lift your waist up. And as you exhale, waist down. And you have to keep doing it for 10 times. If possible, hold the last one for 10 seconds. Make sure that you are synchronizing your breathing with the posture. Relax. Okay, next, after that we will proceed for Bhujangasana breathing, cobra breathing. So you have to turn on your abdomen, crocodile pose, Makarasana, and then hands by the side of the chest. As you inhale, lift your chest as much as you can, and exhale, chest down. So when you inhale, if you cannot lift your body fully straight, that is absolutely fine. Just lift your chest as much as you can without feeling the pain. Okay, we are done with Bhujangasana breathing. Next practice is Shalbhasana breathing. So in crocodile position, we will take our hands under the thighs, chin on the ground. As you inhale, right leg up and exhale down. Inhale, left leg up and exhale down. Alternately we are doing, so we have to do it for around 15 to 20 times at least. And after this, same thing with both legs. As you inhale, both legs up, exhale down. If it is painful for you, again keep doing the previous one, alternate leg raising. Now the last posture, last exercise for back pain. For that you have to come to Kokilasana, chin support position, and you have to keep your one hand on the side. As you inhale, turn the same side where you are holding your chin, and as you exhale, come to center. Keep doing one side for 10 times, and then you can change your hand, and again inhale, twist on the left side and center. You can keep doing it for 10 times, and that's it. But the most important thing out of everything is relaxation after your practice. So stimulation followed by relaxation, and that is exactly how yoga therapy works. For back pain, the best way to relax is chair position Shavasana. You have to lie down on your back, and you have to lift your legs on the chair and close your eyes. Just relax for 5 minutes and you are done. So make sure when you are doing the whole thing, you have to do it for 14 days, because that much time your body is going to take, to change and strengthen, to relax. So yes, keep doing it, and thank you everyone. Namaste.